In what ways has Applied Epic made my team more efficient? I love that word for starters. Efficiency leads to productivity, leads to more revenue, leads to more profit. The ability for us as admins in the system to set up these workflows, to set up default activity templates, to set up the tasking, the notes, and all the way that the data appears to our rank and file teammates. That is so stinking powerful because it means that our team spends less time thinking and more time doing. And they're able to give direct feedback of, hey, this task checklist that you built, I feel like we need to tweak this. I don't feel like it's totally accurate with what it should be putting up from a templated checklist perspective. And we're able to just hop into the configure module, click a few things, type in whatever we need to do, move some things around, and optimize an entire workflow. And then make sure that people are held accountable to actually do the workflow. So, from a leadership down perspective, my gosh, what else do you want? Like it's almost perfect in its current form.